How to create a time-based discount on Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a time-based discount in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to your sidebar and click discounts here. So as you can see, I have two active discounts and I'm gonna create new one by click this one, create discount here, click on it, and you have some option here. You can choose either amount of products by X get Y, amount of order, or free shipping. I'm gonna choose amount of products, and then you can set up the discount so you can choose automatic discounts or using discount code. So let's say I want to create a discount code here, maybe New Year. So it's a New Year discount. And then you can set up the percentage, maybe 15%. And also you can choose a fixed amount if you want. Then you can choose the specific collection or the product that you want to apply. And then for the eligibility, you can choose the all customers or specific customer. I'm going to choose all customers and I'm gonna set minimum purchase, so maybe 50, and you can choose the maximum discount uses if you want, and you can also set the combination, and this one is the key, so you can set up the time or you know the time base. So maybe you want to in 1 month or 1 year, it's up to you, and you can set it up. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.